Pros and cons of quartzite countertops. Why this natural stone is gaining popularity. Dear friends, the world of interior design sees several trends come and go each year. When it comes to creating a space that is beautiful, elegant, stylish, and yet practical, quartzite stone has become increasingly popular in many modern homes. Today, we will explore some of the pros and cons of quartzite to help you understand why investing in this material can be an exceptional choice for your home improvement project. Quartzite countertops pros. 1. Looks beautiful. Quartzite is a beautiful natural stone that resembles marble. It comes in unique designs in a variety of colors which will increase the appeal of your kitchen. Quartzite generally has white to gray colors, but there can be a red, pink, yellow, green, blue, or orange presence in the stone. No matter which colors it contains, quartzite always has an eye-catching look. 2. Highly durable. Quartzite is one of the hardest natural stones on the market. It scores almost the same as granite in terms of hardness and durability. The chemical property of this stone makes it highly resistant to water and acids. You will not see it break, but beware that the edges tend to chip easier. 3. Low maintenance. Quartzite countertops are sealed during installation, making them easy to clean and maintain. The cleaning process of this natural stone does not require any unique product. Using just soap and warm water is more than enough to keep your countertops sparkling clean. Remember to avoid chemical-based cleaning materials to prevent any sort of damage to the sealant. 4. UV resistant. Quartzite is UV resistant, which means it won't fade or be discolored when exposed to direct sunlight. So if you want to use quartzite in your outdoor projects, you are entirely safe. 5. Affordable. Quartzite is more affordable than most other natural stones, especially granite and marble. If you are looking for a durable and good-looking countertop material, quartzite is a great option for anyone looking for an affordable alternative. Quartzite countertops cons. 1. Prone to scratches. There is no doubt that quartzite is strong and durable, but sharp objects can damage it. They resist scratches, but we highly advise using cutting boards to protect your countertops. 2. Porous. Like all natural stones, quartzite has a porous nature, meaning it has tiny holes along its surface. That is why quartzite is sealed during installation. 3. Difficult to install. Quartzite requires diamond cutters to be cut, so it's not friendly for DIY projects. Professionals should carefully install this hard, dense, and heavy material. 4. Not resistant to heat. Quartzite is not invulnerable to heat damage. The stone itself is resistant to heat. No, don't worry, your countertops will not melt, but hot objects can burn the sealant and leave a stain. Using mats and trivets is strongly advised. 5. Moderate color choices. Quartzite is a natural stone, so it doesn't have as wide a color as some of the manufactured stones. Quartzite generally comes in shades of white or gray. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.